Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT, and thanks once again for stopping by my channel today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's beautiful, sunny in the ATL, and I am actually training today. So I do have my waist trainer on. As you guys can, as you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. I am in one of my bedrooms today. I'm not in my glam room, so it's just a little tossed up today, but it's all good. We're gonna make it do what it do. Hope you guys are actually having an awesome day. I am in one of my good moods today. I'm so excited to show you guys this haul that I have from Sam's Beauty. So if you guys have seen any of my other videos, possibly on my other YouTube page, but I will post some here in the comment box below. Some videos that I have done in the past, a little boring, but it just gave you a little insight as to some of the wigs that I have purchased in the past. Sam Beauty, let's get into that right quick because it's going to be a quick video. Sam's Beauty is one of those I should say sites that I have ordered wigs from in the past. Always had a good experience with them. I may have had one or two wigs that I purchased from them in the past and didn't like, but for the most part, Sam's Beauty is definitely the bomb when it comes to ordering wigs. This actually was a pretty big haul that I had this time. Literally just got the box today, so I'm just gonna run through it right quick. As you guys can see, it is packed to the rim. It did come with your packaging box here, your packaging bag here. So I'm just going to get right into it because I do have a few projects that I am working on right now. So have some things coming up this weekend. This is Memorial Day weekend. I'm not sure when you guys will see this video, but hopefully it will give you some insight as to how I'm going to be slaying this weekend with my hair. Anyway, let me get right into it. So the first one that I have here, which I thought was super cute, this is the Beach Babe wig. I got this in a 1B. Now, with my wig videos, my hair videos, it's going to be a little different. What I'm going to do is I will show you guys the hair in these videos. However, I'm going to do an individual video with each one as I style the wigs. So I'm just going to go through it. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. I'm going to show you guys, or should I say girls, what we have here, what we're working. And some guys too, if you guys are into that, that's cool. That's cool too. But I'm just going to go through each one that I have in the haul, and then on the next video you'll see me designing each of those. So I'll try to link each video in the comment box. But the first one we have here is the Beach Babe, and this one is actually a versatile wig. I'm going to give a more explanation to it in each video, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like right now. As I stated a second ago, this does have versatile. It's a convertee cap, meaning that you can either do it in a ponytail, you could do it in a side, or you could do a half wig on it. It does come in several different colors, but I did decide to get this in a 1B. And I will post the pricing on each in the videos when I actually post those videos. So this is the first one, the Beach Babe. The second one, I decided to go with a short wig because I do love short wigs. This is Rika, and she is extra gorgeous. I did decide to get her in a 1, which is a jet black. Gotten back into the jet black styles, and what I did decide to do, if I think that I want to add a little color to it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the color sprays and actually add it to it. So we'll play with that in the video when I actually do with this one. This one is by Wig Pop. The first one, actually this is by Outree. I don't know what Wig Pop is, probably like the brand that it falls under, but her name is Rika, and she's extra cute. I thought she was very pretty in the picture, so that's why I decided to get her. The third one we have here is Dara. This is made by Sensational. Now I wanted to get her in blonde, but they did not have this color available, so I did decide to get this in a DR24613. It's basically a mixed blonde. I'm gonna actually play with her a little bit, so I will show you guys the video when I post this. I'm gonna probably get some, well, I do have some, but I need to get some more, some clippers, and kind of like shave it to my face to give it a more natural and real look. So I'm looking forward to doing the wig video on this one, so you guys look out for that one as well. And she's actually super cute. I thought the color was a little bit different, but and again, I will show you guys more in the other video. But as you can see, it's like a little darker, like a honey blonde almost, but it's a mixture, and it's actually black at the roots. So I'm looking forward to doing that video as well. That's the third one. Again, I will list the pricings on it and how much I paid for it. This one is Boss Lady. This is by Curls and Kinks. Now, for a long time, I wanted to get these soft textured wigs. I had a friend that purchased one, and she said it was very natural. So, and the feel of it is actually very natural. So I'm looking forward to doing this one as well. And it is by Sensational as well. This is from a curl type 3B to a 4C. My hair is, I believe I'm a 4C, I think. I have to double check. But I will probably straighten my hair out. So it'll kind of match with the naturalness of this one. It's made by this is, I'm sorry, actually called Boss Lady again. And this is in a 1B. So looking forward to doing that one. And again, I will post the pricing on it as well. The next thing we have, I actually got some makeup. You know what? Let me do the hair first, and I'll show you guys the makeup. So this is an Insta ponytail, and I will probably wear this one this weekend because it is Memorial Day, and I'm going to be going to some water events. I do have a pool party that I'm attending on Saturday, and on Monday, I believe we're supposed to go white water rafting. This is a French wave, so it'll probably go good with that wet type look. It's also made by Sensational. It is 18 inches, and this one is also in a 1B, and it's showing that you can also curl this as well. So I will definitely be looking forward to using this as well. And again, I will post the video when I actually take it out and do the styling for it. Looking forward to that as well. And I am super excited about this last one that I have. Last but not least, I have some clip-ins. You guys, when I saw this, I was like, yo, I have to get this. Now, this is the textured clip-ins. It has 9 different pieces. It actually said on the package. I don't know why. I just counted them out. But it has 9 different pieces of the textured. And I plan on straightening out my hair as well, flat ironing my hair as well for this. But this was one that I was gonna probably do this weekend, but I think I will go with the natural curl for that, only because when I style this, I want to take my time and style it. So I'm looking forward to doing this, and I want to make sure that I'm doing the clip-ins correctly. So looking forward to doing this as well. I'm so excited about this, uber excited about this one, because I've always wanted to do a clip-in type hair weave. But so let's get into the makeup that I had. These was actually on sale. I'm trying to figure out, why do I keep using this pair of scissors when I have the other ones? So this one, I needed another contour palette, and these were actually on sale. I believe these were $5, but oh, I didn't know it was going to come like this. So this is the contour kit that was on sale, and it's the contour and it is the contour and highlighting kit, dark complexion. I don't know why I got dark complexion, but you know what? Let's see what's in it. This is by Nana Coco. Never heard of that one before, but it's actually not a bad palette. I think I already have this palette. Probably a little lighter, but I actually like this palette. We're going to play with this and see what we can come up with. I actually have this. I do have this palette, but I was actually going low on this palette, so it's cool. Yeah, so looking forward to doing that. And it actually comes with a contour brush as well as the contour case, which is super cute. I think that's a good deal for, I want to say I paid $6 for this, but I will double check. And then we have these. Everything that I'm showing you now, it came, these were $1 each. These were on sale. So the first thing we have is the Ebony Perfect Concealer. That was on sale for $1. And then we have the beige perfect concealer. This was also for $1. We have the sand perfect concealer, also $1. The light perfect concealer, also $1. We have the Zuri Flawless. This one was in purple. I thought this was a super cute color for like your eyeshadow, and I think I'm gonna actually wear this one, either this one or the other one. This was also $1. This is like a denim type color, so I thought this was super cute. It's like a it has sheer to it, so when you put it on, it's almost like it glitters. So I thought that was super cute. So that's pretty much it from this haul, you guys. And like I said, I'm super excited to do the hair, which I'm going to do this weekend. I also have another haul that I probably will post right after this one, so I may have on the same outfits. I don't want you to think that I'm wearing the same clothes every day, which doesn't matter because it's clean. But for the most part, that's pretty much it from this haul. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I will put the link down below for Sam's Beauty as well. And again, their wigs, my experience with their wigs is pretty much always had a good experience with Sam's Beauty. Never had any issues with the ordering. They always come on time when they say they're going to come. The hair is good quality here for the prices. Prices are reasonable. Yeah, and they pretty much always have sales. So I believe I got this one on a Memorial Day sale. It only took about maybe 6 days to come. That's including the weekend. So yeah, that's pretty much, if you're looking for a good wig and you want it to come for a specific event, order the week before. You will definitely get it within a week. So again, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. It's free to share. Sharing is caring. And let's go ahead and get this thing popping. If there's anything that you would like to see me do or try, just go ahead and hit me up in the comments. I also put my email address in there as well, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. You guys have a wonderful, bright, sunny day. Have a good one. Bye.